Well, the Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Gurnam Singh Chadhuni has held a meeting with leaders of the Congress, the Shiromani Akali Dal and the Punjab Democratic Front seeking political support for farmers' agitation. The meeting was held in New Delhi with Congress MPs and MLAs. We're now hearing that the BKU leader Gurnam Singh has been suspended by the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha for meeting political leaders over the agitation. Let's go across to Amandeep, who's joining me on the phone line from Chandigarh. Amandeep, give us more details of this particular meeting that's taking place.
Yes, exactly. The meeting held yesterday, and only the Gurnam Singh Chadhuni was the Kisan Union leader who will remain present in this meeting. And in fact, apart from that, all political parties from the side of Punjab and the other side, interested people were in the meeting, including lawyers and other NGOs also. But Gurnam Singh Chadhuni openly seeks the support from the political leaders and asks them to raise their voice on a different platform. So the political leaders and political parties are not allowed at the Delhi border because the way farmers have organized this protest, they are not allowing any political leader to come on the stage and speak. That is why Gurnam Singh Chadhuni was asking them to raise their voice on a different platform so that the support for the farmers will be extended. But the main point in this entire meeting is that rest of the leadership of the farmers was unaware about this meeting, and even they have no idea that Gurnam Singh Chadhuni was attending this meeting. And in fact, not only attending, he was leading the meeting. He actually addressed all the political parties, and even the Congress MPs from the side of the Punjab, Patla and Dimpa were remained present. Congress MLA Kuljeet Singh Jira was in the meeting. Former Punjab Finance Minister Parminder Singh Dhinsa was inside the meeting. MLA Sukhpal Khera was in the meeting. Shiromani Akali Dal Democratic leader Shiva Sekha was in the meeting. So they all remain in the meeting, and now somewhere down the line, Gurnam Singh Chadhuni started approaching political leaders to gather the support for the farmers. And even he openly claimed that he went to the meeting, and now today itself he will be discussing this issue with the other farm leaders. Just because every day on Delhi Singhu border, there was a meeting held by the Indian leaders to discuss all the issues that to be held in a day. So today this would be the main issue, but meanwhile the Kisan Sanyukt Morcha has suspended the Gurnam Singh Chadhuni just because without informing anyone, he went to the meeting and held
So clearly, Amandeep, there's a lot of controversy around him going for this meeting. Let's also get in a word from Piyush, who's now joining me from New Delhi. Well, we'll get Piyush back in just a bit. We are having some trouble over there. But as we were saying now, the Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Gurnam Singh Chadhuni held a meeting with leaders of the Congress, Shiromani Akali Dal and the Punjab Democratic Front seeking political support from the farmers' agitation. Now, of course, we do understand that Gurnam Singh Chadhuni has been suspended. Let's get more updates on that from Piyush, who now joins me. Piyush? All right, there is some connection issues that we are facing, but as I was saying, we are trying to go across to Piyush to get more details on how Gurnam Singh Chadhuni is now reacting to the suspension by the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha that has now suspended him. Now, do remember that the leader was seeking political support. Let's try and go across back again to Piyush for more details on this. Piyush, we understand that Gurnam Singh now has been suspended. Any reactions that are coming on from him?
Well, very big development coming in because remember, Gurnam Singh Chadhuni is the same man who had taken part in that particular meeting with the political parties, and now he has been suspended by Sanyukt Kisan Morcha. Sanyukt Kisan Morcha is the same group of farmers which is leading the agitation at the Singhu and TPD border as well as at the Jajipur border. And they are also holding talks with the government, and we know that tomorrow it's going to be 10th round of meeting with the government at Vigyan Bhavan. And before that, Gurnam Singh was also meeting with many political parties. And looking at that, now it has been decided by Sanyukt Kisan Morcha that he should be suspended and he will not take part in any meeting of government and farmers. Remember, a big allegation was also leveled against Gurnam Singh by the Haryana Chief Minister itself, where he made it very clear that there are some farmer leaders who are sitting there who are taking support of political parties and leading this agitation. We also saw that how the Mahapanchayat of Manohar Lal Khattar was also disturbed. Many people had barged into that Mahapanchayat and they had taken law in their hands. Following which Gurnam Singh Chandu was also alleged to be working hands in gloves with political parties and doing that. And now,
absolutely, Piyush.
What more important is that the Chadoni had also accepted the allegations those were leveled by Manohar.
Absolutely. Absolutely, Piyush. As you're pointing out, of course, there were a lot of allegations against him. That suspension now coming in. We'll get you more updates as we get them.